In this video, I will talk to you about the reality shock I had when I went from college to sitting in a cubicle. Today, you will walk away with a plan and some insights that will set you free because you do not want to get stuck in a 10-year plan and hardly making any money. So I really was given a gift when this happened to me because I started in corporate world as well. And then one day I just had enough. And I also wasn't making much money at all. Plus the boss could do whatever they wanted to me, I felt. So I had little to no control. So what you want to pay attention to here is that what happened to me is that I was able to set myself free going after one of my hobbies that ended up making me more money and having given me more fun than I could ever hope for. So listen carefully, because if you're in that situation where you have a job and you're not really that happy with it, and you're working your ass away based on somebody else's shouts and calls, that's not really where you want to be, is it? Well, that's why I'm here today telling you about what you can do to make a change in your life. So sorry about the chainsaw going on in the back here, but somebody's got to do that too, right? So today I will share with you what happened to me actually in my corporate world. And I worked for a large company, and I had to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, started at 5, and I think sometimes it was earlier too, and worked my tush off with cameras everywhere and all this crap that I had to put up with. And one day I said, enough is enough. So I pressed the escape button and just marched out of there. Literally, it's true. And I'm kind of proud of that too. As a matter of fact, I got a standing ovation from my co-workers. So what did I do? I followed my instinct. I followed my hobby. I started organizing social events for my friends and myself because I needed to make more friends and have a better social life, I realized. Plus, I ended up finding out that, boy, it could make a really, really good income. I started throwing social events and parties for my friends. And I had done it as a hobby for a long time. And at that point in my career, other professional career, I needed to actually apply for a visa as well because I was a foreigner in the United States, which only took me about 3 weeks to make a business plan. I engaged with an immigration attorney and blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to bore you with all this stuff. But basically, what I found out and set out to do was that I could set myself free. I could start doing something I really loved, and I made some great money doing it. What are you waiting for? If you're stuck in that role, you're stuck in a position where you don't want to be, and you want to create some more fun and make money, what you really love doing, and you're made for this kind of work, hey, I'm your man. Comment below if you have a desire to talk to me about what I did and how I did it. I'll be more than happy to share it. It's a free call, 15-minute call. You can ask me any question if this could be for you. So anyway, how did I end up doing all these things? Because I had previous experience from before. And I had volunteered in many other places while I was working. So I was actually already engaged in a lot of event planning type of activities. So I learned also how to find good venues. I learned how to mingle and match with other groups of people that I knew would be my target market. And that's colleges, it was the spinsters, it's what other social organizations and friends of friends, and especially friends of friends, because I market a lot of my events through my friends and friends. And I'll share some fantastic techniques so you can do the same thing. So if you're one of those people saying, oh, I don't have any friends, think again. You'll be very surprised when you start tapping into your own network and also the network of others, even more importantly. So that's exactly what I wanted to share with you today. There's not a long talk. I just wanted to put this out here because I'm looking for you. I'm looking for somebody that is looking to change and do something with their life and get going on making a really nice income and being in charge of your own life, not being bossed around and being able to call your own shots. And you know what? Another beautiful thing too, you can write off so many of your expenses. If you go out to the dinner and you buy nice clothes, you go traveling, most of these expenses can be subtracted from your income, so you get taxed less. So you'd be surprised how much you can write off. Now, I'm not a tax attorney or anything like that, like they all say in their emails and videos, but just get good advice and make sure that you make good records too. So just be detailed about your receipts and everything, and write on them what it is that you use it for, so that you can back it up later. It's always a good thing to have a good system like that. And that's also another thing you will learn with me. There are systems and checklists and things that you do and don't do. So anyway, click below, comment below, click on the link if you want to set up a quick call with me. I'm here to help you do the same thing that I did, and I did it for 22 years. That's actually another good reason for you why you should listen to me, so that you don't fall down the holes of doing stupid mistakes or making stupid mistakes, because that's not what we are all about, right? We're smarter than that. So anyway, good to have you here. See you on the other side, and please comment below. I'm here. Talk to you soon. Ciao, ciao. Bye.